There are many companies where people do a lot of improvement activities, but after some time, things will go back to old ways of working. Do you know what is lacking there? There is something called as standardization or SOPs, the standard operating procedures which help people to sustain the initiatives. Many people think that SOPs or standards are very difficult to create and use them in the shop floor. Hi there, welcome to Lean Factory. My name is Anand, your lean manufacturing coach. Today we are going to look at standards or SOPs. What is a standard? A standard is a simple way to teach yourself and others on how to repeat a process again and again without variations or defects. Whenever there is a variation in the process, defects will arise. So standards or SOPs will help you and also others in repeating the process in the same way again and again without variation. Let us look at some examples of standards. You are doing a set of activities on a day-to-day basis. So what you can do is you can just list down the various activities which you are carrying it out, the daily activities, then maybe the weekly activities, then the monthly activities. This becomes a standard because you will be very clear that you will not miss out on all these activities. It becomes like a checklist. Similarly, in your workplace, you can have some color coding or labeling to avoid some searching. That becomes a standard. You can also use some color codes for identifying or segregating good pieces and bad pieces. So the good pieces can be given a green color and the bad products can be given a red color, just to give a visual identification. This also is a standard. When we use these standards, it becomes very easy for us to repeat the process again and again without any variations. And it also helps others to follow the same activities. There are 5 benefits of using standards. Let us look at these 5 benefits one by one. The first one is standards can be used as a method to teach others the easiest, the best and the safest way to do a job. Because if we don't train others on the easiest, fastest and the best way to do a job on a safe manner, people will end up making a lot of compromises on these day-to-day activities and there may be a chances of accidents. They will not do it with the right procedure and again the defects may arise. The second benefit of standards is it helps in measuring the performance. The performance here is the plan versus actual. Imagine I am having a checklist of my day-to-day activities. At the end of the day, I can measure my performance, saying what are the things I have completed and what are the things I have not completed. So this standard can be used to measure the performance also. The third one is preserve the knowledge or the expertise. What do I mean by this preserving the knowledge? For example, I work in a particular area for 2 years or 5 years and I am pretty experienced in that area now. If I create a standard for the operation in that area, even if I go to some other department or if I leave the company, this standard becomes a guide or a resource for others to get trained on this. So which means we are preserving the experience or the expertise of the people. This is the third point. The fourth point is standards help in training other people. It becomes a training tool. For example, if you have like 5 or 6 people who are joining your organization, if you have a standard training kit, it becomes very easy. Everyone can be trained in a jiffy. So this is the fourth point. The fifth and most important point is standards help in preventing the recurrence of defects. If you have the right standards in place, the same defect will not continue again and again. Which means we are learning something, we have implemented something and we are sustaining the improvements. So these are the 5 benefits of standards. The difference between an organized company and an unorganized company, if you see, the difference will be in the standardization, the SOPs which they have created in their workplaces. An organized company, a large company which was able to grow faster because of these standards. People follow the SOPs, people follow the standard procedures. Following the standards or SOPs are one of the reasons why companies grow faster and they become competitive. The smaller or unorganized companies, people don't follow the procedures. They do the same mistakes again and again. So they do an improvement, after some time it go back to normal. Right? So the same problem continues again and again, and that becomes a big hindrance to their growth. Can you identify the various SOPs in your company? Whether people are following it? What are your various ideas or thought process to make people sustain these initiatives? You can share it in the comments. If you like this particular video, please subscribe to our channel. We post a lot of videos related to lean, and you can also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will get a notification. You can also share it with your friends and colleagues, and you can help them learn about lean manufacturing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Thank you.